Okay, so I've got all sorts of stuff here to unbox. But I'm going to start with the GoPro. The GoPro Hero 6, which is not the newest one. It's a generation ago. They're on the GoPro Hero 7 now. So, you know, it's kind of like iPhones or whatever. And phones and stuff, they go up one number each time, each generation. So, they have that going. So it's easy to keep track of which one's which. And yeah, this one came out in 2017, I think. That's just a guess, but I assume it did. Okay, so that box is already open. I'll put that over here. So this has been opened before, or the, or at least this has been opened from like that before. I don't, or something. Here, let me open this first. They might have meant that they actually opened this thing. I can't tell. It's pretty smooth. I don't know if it came in this plastic bag originally or not. That's a good question. Everything looks pretty flawless. So we don't need the knife yet, but it's there. I'll try to take this tape off without ripping it. The plastic, which might be possible. Yeah, well, we're gonna use a knife for this. Because it might not be possible. Always cut away from yourself. If that was a fail, you gotta get the serrated part on it. I hear something wobbling around in there. I don't know what that is, but we're going to find out in a second. Ah, so there's not much to it. So we got the specs here: 12 megapixels, 4K 60 frames per second, which is the max that the most new phones these days can do. High-end flagship phones, that is, like the Galaxy S9 that I'm recording this video on. You can also do 4K 60 frames per second. That takes up a lot of space, of course, in storage. But back to this GoPro Hero 6, black. It's the black one. Water resistant up to 33 feet or 10 meters. Okay. Can also do 1080p at 240 frames per second. It's a lot of frames per second. Not really, but kind of. How do you open this thing? I don't know. It's getting moisture from my finger, making condensation on the plastic all over the place. I honestly don't know how to open this. I'm gonna have to open this at the bottom, I think. With the knife. Alright, so I got the bottom open. The plastic seems pretty attached to the paper. This is a nice packaging though. And of course you have the GoPro, which was displayed in the plastic already. And you can see that now. And almost afraid to touch it. So is this step to this? So how does this contraption out? How do we open this? Oh, there's a tab right here. You know what? I should probably take the camera off if you're gonna want to screw anything up. Still a $300+ camera. GoPro branding on the camera and the mount. And that stands up. Nice. I was looking at you, yo. Alright, so yeah, we have this nice little mouse thing to latch thing to open it, and then we are met with this. The GoPro. You break it, we'll replace it. Deal. GoPro care. Do I have to pay for that? Download on the App Store. Something. Oh. Dude, we got some stickers in the actual Important parts and safety instructions. So it's not a user manual. Yeah, it's a bunch of warnings in a bunch of languages. Consultare il rivendiatore o un tecnico radio. Yeah, I honestly didn't know what that language was I just spoke. Alright, so now we get into the goodies that are in here. Wow. We have a nice, thick, like, this is a pretty dang thick cable. USB-C to USB-A, looks like type 3.0. Got that blue, which helps indicate that. Yeah, but yeah, this is USB Type-C, which is a reversible, like the lightning port on the iPhone, and which is USB-C is also the charger that I use for that phone, so that's nice. It could probably use it to charge my phone. And then all right. And then included in the box, we besides the instruction manual that might not actually be an instruction manual, but I hope it is. Otherwise, there's nothing else in here to help us with the setup and stuff, but that's probably fine. And then we have a GoPro battery, and then a couple of mounts, or yeah, I don't know, we call this a mount thing, but this is like the base mount for this mount. Slides in there like you saw, is on here, and actually, yeah, probably keep it on there and put this back on for storage. Actually, we could probably get this out and then store the thing out here, cut this off, or tear this off. Yeah. So yeah, you can have a nice place to store it. Onto the camera itself. This does indeed feel like a quality piece of machinery or technology, both. Yeah, it's wow. It has a nice weight to it. It does. It feels quality, and of course, I'm sure it is. It was originally like a $450, $500 thing, I think. Can't remember. Which is crazy, but for something small. But yeah, it should be pretty great. I can make a review video later or something. Not gonna turn on and start, filming stuff yet, but I will shortly, probably tomorrow. So maybe I'll make a video later on reviewing it. How do you get the battery thing open? Alright, so I'm gonna finish opening the stuff. Actually, I should probably plug this GoPro in, put the battery in, let it charge up though. That'd probably be a good idea, right? Yeah, probably help. So I got an SD card to put in it later, 64 gigabytes. Actually, I could probably do that right now. Actually, I don't know. Yeah, I gotta get this thing off again so that I can put the battery in and then charge it. Hopefully use it this weekend. Ow. Alright. So yeah, carefully push this thing out. It should get stuck out. It's stuck. Yeah, there seems to be some kind of plastic film over the touch screen. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it looks nice. Look at that. I was gonna say, we don't want a picture on it when we get to use the touch screen. This is a 2-inch touch screen, I think. LCD, I'm sure, of course. Or something like that. Okay, so here we got the battery. So I had to figure out how to put the battery in. Actually, I already figured that out. It's just a cool little button on the bottom, and then you push this whole thing that way, it opens up, and it feels really solid quality. Like, this is good. Aha, there we go. And it's blinking red right here, so I assume that means that it has power of some sort, but it probably needs to be charged. And then we'll put this thing back on here. How this works. Come on, this. Right, so then we just push it again to open it. And then I assume this thing over here is for the SD card and the charge cord cable thing. It is indeed. Well, it's not for the SD card, it's for the it's for a mini HDMI. I think that's what that is. Micro, one of the two. And then this whatchamacallit? Yeah, what do you call this thing? Oh, this USB-C that I was talking about earlier. We're going to, I guess we can go ahead and plug it in. Of course, I need to figure out where to put the SD card in it. That'll help. Micro SD, of course. That'll probably help. Did I miss that something? I think that means it's turning off. No, I was just trying to get this thing back off. There we go. Ah, yes, the SD cards. SD card goes in right next to the battery. If we can see that, I don't know where this is focusing at or anything. I feel like I was squeezing the light by this thing when I was trying to get this cover back off. It was a little stuck, but I hope this thing's still fine. If not, then hopefully I can get a new one for free. So I got the SD card, 64 gigabyte SD card in there. I don't remember what stuff is on it already, so I don't know how full it is, but hopefully it's got room on it still. Got a Samsung fast charger brick here. Hopefully that doesn't give too much power to this thing or something like that. Hey guys, this is Ben Maier here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click that subscribe button. It's the red button or the word subscribe so on the page. You can find it. Click that bell icon to make sure that you get notified about the latest vids. And make sure you click that like button if you liked it. And well, if you didn't like it, click that dislike button, that down thumbs. And just drop a comment if you like the video or if you have an idea for an upcoming video I should make, or direct message, private message me that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.